Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was searching for an interactive toy that would get my grandson interested in music. And this gigantic piano floor mat from SUNLIN has done exactly that. Now he's only 2 years old, but he is already fascinated with just turning this piano on and off, walking across it, tapping it, and playing with it because it has so bright colors and also a soft feel to the mat. Now it can make 8 different sounds. It has 8 different instruments, so it's not just a piano. It has 24 keys. It also has a volume, record, playback, and 10 built-in songs. So kind of has endless possibilities for play, both for the child and also for adults in the family too. You can even get some exercise because this is so big. You can walk across it, you can run across it. My husband enjoyed practicing with it. He is looking forward to teaching his grandson more about music as he gets older, and I feel like this toy is going to grow with him. Since he's only 2 years old, he's really just beginning, but because it has that record and playback feature, you can really make your own melodies, and with the 8 different sounds and instruments, it has so many different combinations and possibilities. So everyone in the family is enjoying it. It has been something that's been drawing everyone's attention. So my grandson likes to play with it just by sitting on it or running across it or dragging his toys. And even the family pets are getting involved. So if you're looking for a really fun and interactive toy for the family that involves music, I highly recommend this one. And that is my point of view.